What's something people don't know about garlic? Garlic is a potent ingredient found in kitchens around the world. But did you know that this humble bulb is also a powerful natural antibiotic? For centuries, garlic has been recognized for its ability to fight infections and boost overall health. Garlic possesses a unique compound called allicin, which is responsible for its potent antimicrobial properties. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, unleashing a cascade of health benefits. It has been shown to effectively combat a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making garlic a formidable ally in the fight against infections. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can harness the power of this natural antibiotic to support your body's natural defenses. Embrace the power of garlic and unlock its incredible health benefits. But be aware, there's a common mistake people make when using it. Stay tuned to learn how to avoid it. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Allicin is a sulfur-containing compound that is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. It is responsible for garlic's distinctive pungent aroma and numerous health benefits. Allicin is a highly unstable compound and quickly degrades when exposed to heat, air, or water. This means that to maximize allicin intake, it is best to consume garlic raw or lightly cooked. The antibiotic properties of allicin make garlic a valuable tool in preventing and combating infections. When it comes to consuming garlic for its health benefits, there are two main camps: those who swear by swallowing whole cloves and those who prefer to crush or chew it. Swallowing garlic cloves whole is a popular method, as it avoids the strong taste and odor associated with chewing or crushing. Proponents of this method believe that the intact garlic clove passes through the digestive system and releases its beneficial compounds gradually, providing long-lasting protection against infections. On the other hand, crushing or chewing garlic releases allicin, the key compound responsible for its antimicrobial properties. This process maximizes the bioavailability of allicin, allowing for optimal absorption and utilization by the body. If you can tolerate the taste and smell, crushing or chewing garlic is a great way to maximize allicin intake. However, if you prefer a milder approach, swallowing whole cloves can still provide health benefits. Swallowing garlic cloves whole has gained popularity as a convenient and subtle way to incorporate garlic into one's diet. This method involves consuming peeled garlic cloves like pills, without chewing or crushing them. By swallowing cloves whole, individuals can enjoy the health benefits of garlic without experiencing its pungent flavor. This is particularly appealing to those who are new to garlic or have a sensitive palate. However, it's important to note that swallowing whole garlic cloves may not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort such as heartburn, indigestion, or bloating due to the intact cloves irritating the stomach lining. If you experience any adverse effects, it's best to discontinue this method and consult with a healthcare professional. Crushing garlic is a culinary technique that not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also unlocks its full health potential. When garlic cloves are crushed, the enzyme allinase is released and interacts with allin, a sulfur-containing compound, to produce allicin. By crushing garlic, we maximize the release of allicin, making it more readily available for our bodies to absorb and utilize. To crush garlic effectively, simply place peeled garlic cloves on a cutting board and use the flat side of a knife to press down firmly. The cloves will flatten and release their juices, indicating the release of allicin. For optimal allicin production, it's recommended to let crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking or consuming. Crushing garlic not only enhances its flavor but also makes it easier to digest. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Here are some practical tips to boost your garlic intake. Add crushed garlic to your cooking. Garlic is a versatile ingredient that can enhance the flavor of countless dishes. Add crushed garlic to soups, stews, sauces, stir-fries, and roasted vegetables for a delicious and healthy boost. Roast whole garlic bulbs. Roasted garlic takes on a sweet and nutty flavor that is less pungent than raw garlic. Spread the roasted garlic on bread, crackers, or use it as a flavoring agent in dips and spreads. Make garlic-infused olive oil. Combine crushed garlic cloves with olive oil in a jar and let it infuse for at least 24 hours. Use this flavorful oil for cooking, salad dressings, or as a dip for bread. Take garlic supplements. If you find it difficult to consume enough garlic through your diet, garlic supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and extracts. By incorporating garlic into your daily routine, you can harness its potent antimicrobial properties, boost your immune system, and enjoy a wide range of health benefits. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share the different ways you enjoy consuming garlic. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.